Hello and welcome back to the second day of British Science Week. So today we're going to have a look at a concept called diffusion. Now diffusion is the movement of particles from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration. So today we're going to model this using some Skittles, and we're going to make a rainbow. So the first thing that you will need to do is to place your Skittles around the outside of your plate. Now I'm going to try and make a pretty pattern, but you can place them however you want. There we are. So I've set up my plate of Skittles. You now need a glass of water. Now you might like to experiment with a glass of cold water on one plate and a glass of hot water on the other and see what the difference is. But I'm just going to use some cold water for my experiment today. Let's have a look what happens when I pour this water onto my plate. Wasn't that pretty? And this all happens because the food dye molecules inside the Skittles dissolve in the water, and then as those water molecules are moving around each other, they collide with the molecules which are making up the food dye, causing them to spread out. I wonder who can make the prettiest pattern from their diffusion of Skittles. Maybe have a think what happens if you start by placing a Skittle in the middle of your plate instead of around the edge. Send a picture to me or to Mr Walker of your creations.